got the best single season any interior defensive lineman has had in the history of the NFL.
It's something we work on. We work on it every day in practice. We do a bat ball drill. It's something I've been working on since college. I know I have long arms, and you can't get a sack every play, so you might as well try and bat the ball now. Now, I'm enjoying myself. I'm just trying. I've said all along, if you're not trying to be the greatest, you're wasting your time. That's why I love being on this team. We don't care who gets the credit. We don't care how it happens. We just like to win.